Hey everyone, Stephanie with Innovative here. I just wanted to take a second and invite you all to attend a virtual roundtable that we're hosting at Innovative. We're going to be answering all of your questions about how to manage the technology that your newly remote workforce is using while you're dealing with this coronavirus COVID-19 pandemic. We know that most businesses may not have been planning to have a remote workforce. You suddenly overnight are sending your people home. They're trying to be productive. You're trying to run your business, but you're also trying to keep your employees safe. So we've been getting a lot of questions around that, around how do I handle file sharing and document sharing, and how do I communicate with my employees, and what are the best tools to use, and what can I do? And also, how do I address some of the unique security challenges that are arising specifically around COVID-19, and then also just the security challenges that are posed by a remote workforce in general. So tomorrow, Friday, March 27th, please join us. We'll be having our president and CEO of Innovative Incorporated, Jason Rappaport, our vice president of operations, Tyler Snyder, and our HIPAA Compliance Specialist, Kayla Wharton, will all be available. They'll be talking you through some of those points that I mentioned about file sharing and communication and security risks, and they'll also be answering your questions live. So please RSVP. We hope to see you there. Space is limited, so please RSVP soon, and we'll see you tomorrow.